Our new integrated comment mode in simpleshow Video Maker gives you a new way to collaborate, making video creation more efficient than ever. In this video, I'll show you exactly how the new comment mode works. I created my video as I normally would. The integrated comment mode allows you to give feedback in both the visualize and finalize phases. You will see two new buttons in the top bar, Edit Project and View Comments. Let's try it now in the visualize phase. This is the integrated comment mode. All team members can comment on the text as well as on the image. Here, you can already see some comments. Based on the initials and the different colors, I can see exactly which of my team members commented. Let's try adding a new comment. I noticed that the color still needs to be corrected, so I click on the image and write my comment about the colors. Now the comment is saved, and we can see it on the canvas. I can see all existing comments by clicking the comment bubble or scrolling through the comments on the sidebar. I can also reply to comments, edit my reply, or delete the comment. You can also see whether the comment concerns the text or the images. For example, a colleague has pointed out that the word needs to be corrected. When all team members are done with their feedback, the project creator can go through comment by comment, make the changes, and mark it resolved. Once a comment is resolved, it is no longer visible. There are also important new icons on the right. These icons allow me to search, filter, and remove comments, as well as invite additional collaborators to the project. For example, using the search function, I can search for background to see all background-related comments. The filter function allows you to see only comments from certain people or even those already resolved. You can also reactivate resolved comments if needed. With the new simpleshow Video Maker integrated comment mode, collaborating with your team has never been easier.